You know those moments when you need to get dressed immediately, you're in the rush and you have maximum 5 to 10 minutes to get dressed, yet you don't know what to wear. You go fast in front of your wardrobe, you're taking out all of the pieces, nothing seems to be right, yet you want to look put together and you want to be representable. If you find yourself in this sort of a situation, I have 3 formulas that always work. Number 1 would be go after basics or elevated basics. What I mean by basics and elevated basics is basic would be a simple white shirt with a simple black jeans, but elevated basic from a simple white shirt would be a classic button-down white shirt. I simply adore to wear these when I'm in the moments of rush, and what I would combine it would be with a high-waisted wide leg trousers. Pairing these two together is always going to allow you to look elegant and you're going to feel put together and good about yourself. That is the reason why it is always worth to work on your wardrobe and to invest into good pair of high-waisted trousers, because they're always going to insert a dose of elegance in your style and you're always going to feel good in them because they have that loose fit, they feel floaty, yet that is something that is always going to make you feel comfortable while wearing those. So in this situation, as you can see, I have this basic look towards this elevated basic look. In basic look, I'm wearing a simple black jeans with a simple white tee, while in another example I have these high-waisted black trousers with a crisp white button down, and I absolutely adore this combination. That would be my elevated basics, especially if I pop on a black pumps. That's pretty much it. Look like this is just so timeless and it's always going to make you feel good about yourself. Another elevated basic example would be black jeans in basic look and then leather black jeans in elevated basic look, and same goes for the top, simple white shirt, and then over here I have this really beautiful Zara sleeveless shirt with a turtleneck. So this is what gives an elevated touch to your look. It's a statement piece also, and it is definitely elevated basic when you compare it to the simple white shirt. So this is the reason why I believe you should always have a corner in our wardrobe dedicated to these elevated basic pieces, so whenever we're in the rush we know at what corner of our wardrobe to look towards to, because yeah, I'm sure our wardrobes are not always clean and neat and so on, but yeah, once in a while we should definitely pay attention to it and just organize it so we can have those elevated basics in one corner. So that would be my formula number 1: always work on and lean towards elevated basics. My formula number 2 is go after everything monochromatic from head to toe. I know this comes like a no-brainer. There is nothing to think about styling monochromatic, everything from head to toe in same tone. I personally absolutely adore to dress this way, especially when it comes to black and white tones. I love to dress in these tones from head to toe. So as you can see in this example, I'm wearing these high-waisted wide leg trousers from H&M, and I paired them with this really beautiful Zara top, and I paired it all with my Zara loafers. I really love because it's really comfortable, sporty, yet chic in a way, and what is most important, it is comfortable. When styling these monochromatic pieces, try to include different textures, different material, just to give an element to your style, so it's not so plain and boring, which can often happen if you're wearing everything monochromatic from head to toe if it comes in same material. So try to mix different textures just to give a certain vibe and element to your look. And I also have the second monochromatic example where I'm wearing these creamy trousers with this sort of a beige tone of a top and then these beige mules. As you can see in this example, pieces are not so monochromatic because I'm styling cream and beige. But when you're styling everything monochromatic from head to toe, it doesn't have to be exactly same tone. You can play around with tones, of course, if they come from the same color category, like in this example. So So again, wearing everything in same tone from head to toe is always going to give a seamless and elegant look, and it's definitely going to make you look put together. Again, it is important to accessorize, put on some makeup of your liking, and you're ready. And formula number 3 would include styling your hero pieces. I'm sure you all have a hero piece in your wardrobe. And what would be a hero piece? Well, that would be the piece that you absolutely adore to wear. Those would be like, let's say, pair of trousers in which you always feel so good, so comfortable, and just so amazing about yourself. And that is really important because what matters the most is that you're feeling good in the pieces you're wearing. So for example, over here, a hero piece for me would be this high-waisted, a little bit looser white shorts. I simply adore the shorts. For me, this is my hero piece. I absolutely adore it, especially now when we're approaching spring days. This is definitely my go-to. I can wear these shorts with literally everything. I can style it with anything that I have in my wardrobe. Whether it's a shirt like I have over here, this blue shirt. I simply adore how this look is so comfortable, so casual, yet it makes me feel so good about myself when I'm wearing it. And then again, I can also style it with a black top and a black blazer with loafers. Something like this I can style with literally everything, and that's why it's my hero piece. So it is important again to dedicate a space in our wardrobe for these hero pieces. And honestly, you shouldn't feel ashamed or bad about wearing your hero piece on repeat, because what matters the most is that it makes you feel comfortable, it makes you feel good about yourself and put together. And that is what matters the most when we are in those moments, when we are in the rush, when we need to get dressed immediately, is always to use or go after one of these 3 formulas, because they're definitely going to be your savior as they are mine. So yeah, that is it what I have to share with you for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, happy styling. Until next time, bye bye.